Greetings. I am the Reverend Andrew Wilson here in Leamington, Ontario, Canada. I'm here at my church, St. John the Evangelist. I am the rector here, and we are an affirming church. Now, there's many things I love about Jamaica. My wife and I started taking holidays there only within the last 2 years. I've had many friends throughout my entire life whose either personal or family origins were Jamaica. And what is there not to love about Jamaica? We've started staying at a resort in Runaway Bay where they provide us with everything, including amazing and beautiful people that I think every third word out of their mouth is no problem. So what a wonderful, wonderful way to express love and compassion and openness to each other. But most of all, what I love about Jamaica is the people, regardless of who they love. So, love up Jamaica. There's the other half, one half of the heart, the other half of the heart. I'm holding my phone. God bless.